Greetings, nerds. So, Quinacridone Gold. Watercolor people love this. I turned it into an acrylic paint just to annoy them. What's the differences between these two different PO49? So let's figure that out. So, I have that already over there. So this is normal DuPont. I'm specifically talking about DuPont PO49. These are both extremely extinct pigments. So we have that. It's the normal one reminds me so much of just transparent red iron oxide. It makes me realize why it was deleted, because it does look very similar to it. Now, the deep one, however, I'm going to grab the thing that I was using it to mix with. The deep one is definitely a different color. They're both very similar. You mix it with white, the difference of colors really does come out a little bit more. I feel like this is almost a stronger tinter as well. See, they're very similar in color. That's definitely a little bit more red. That's a little bit more yellow. Yeah, there's not terribly too much of a difference between. I think this is the one the watercolor people were really, really hyped up about. Because that one, it's so much like red iron oxide, honestly. You know what, let's grab some red iron oxide to compare it. They're not the same color, right? They are. But red iron oxide is still really reasonably close in color. Actually, yeah. They're almost identical. This is just red iron oxide right here. That's quinacridone gold. It's more red. Let's let that dry for a little bit, though. Grab some more white as well. See how that mixes in there. Okay, yeah, that's more of a peachy flesh tone. That's like a yellowy flesh tone. Flesh tone. They're all kind of flesh tony. But on the surface, they all kind of look similar. When you add white in them, you can definitely see where they change, the difference. These two are more yellow, that's more red. So a little bit of yellow iron oxide, or yeah, honestly, golden's 2-to-1 ratio of this to nickel azo yellow would probably is honestly identical, in my opinion, or close enough. So I guess the watercolor people need to switch over to transparent red iron oxide. They really want the quinacridone gold experience, or close enough to it as a single pigment. It's definitely different, but it's similar enough, I'd say. You just have to account for the more red. Interesting. Anyways, that's it. That's on the floor now. Bye, I guess.